And ulit tukit, muling ka-atake ang scoring machine for Team Naga. CTBT from number 8, come up strong, and number 6, jumper basket! Second game. O sa halftime is on, pasukin na natin ang ating mundo ng basketball. Sa hindi tulad ng unang pagkakasala, ang mga taga City Veterinary sa ating unang quarter, Bat Palmes, klase ng first personal foul and 2 team fouls. First free throw, good for 1. MF, laban sa team ng mga taga City Bet. In this time, may tanang buko. Yes sir, yan na po mga kaibigan, nagsimula na. Inside, going to the weak corner, inibigay ka ng Bing Rakasa, pero nagkarambolan sa ilalim, shot lock down to 3, and 2 seconds on the shot lock, hanggang babasket yung 2 puntos na bitbit nitong Warriors. Hindi pa ganun ka-fully calibrated ang ating magkabilang team for this opening quarter, but this time is speaking calibrated, good for 2 points. Uli tukit, another 2, pawala ang gala yung bola si Calamenan Sanchez. Hugo number 32, going to the scoring machine. Uli tukit, jumper, 2 points! Maliit na maaari. Rejection yung inabot, nakuha ng Numbing Rakasa. Bullet pass going for Sanchez from Dalo. Basketball count again for Team ng Black Shirts. And uli tukit, jumper for 2 points. Napakabulit! Basketball count! Itukit ang isa sa mga bukod tanging mama na nagpapakilala sa kanyang apelyado for this opening quarter. May hulapan. Numbing Rakasa na naman, shot lock down to 6. Numbing Rakasa inside pass, Sanchez puts it up and puts it in by Sanchez. The combination dito to support this CGPP Basketball Tournament Mayor's Cup ng ating pong City Mayor, Lucilo Bayron. Good for 2 points, isang pasang-awang tira. Good for 2 points by Hugo, number 32. Mukhang gumaganda na po yung mga hugot ng Hugo, but in the other side, pupukol din ang panibago. Bigan natin gumagawa ng ating pong napakaganda or magiging magandang giant Christmas tree. Out, Lucero, pinagkatiwala, Hugo, getting closer, perimeter Jade, where by Hugo. Recover by Kalimutan, binigyan sa bandang wakali mga kaibigan. Ulit tukit, muling uukit, good for 2 points. Lumira ka sa may tangan ng bola. Outside, Ondot, almost went up in from the top. Ondot, bang, 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 3 points! Tagal po natin tropang veteranong player yan. Every time na may malalaking liga sa out of City of the Living God, Puerto Princesa. Yan kaibigan, ang kanilang punggan, naging katunggali kanina. Munting ingat, 14 na 7-15 ng veterinary. Inside Laya, good for 2 points. First free throw by Lucero, number 5. And only 2 feet once again, Lucero jumper for 3 points. Alam pa rin, Belvis trying to put it back. Belvis, good for 2 points. Maraming time remaining, 6 minutes and 25. Cruz, jumper for 3 points. Hindi pa gumana itong Cruz, but Paduga to the rescue. 2 points by Paduga. Yan na po yung magiging nada. And ulit tukit, muling ka-atake ang scoring machine for Team Naga. City Veterinary, basketball count! The first drive. Time out.
Grabe ka talaga, Bayaw. Maging Bayaw pa naman tayo.
Outside jumper, good for 2 points. Headed by Honorable City Mayor Lucilo Bayron. At siyempre, ng ating pong mga empleyado, good for 2 points off the window. Harap-harapang pinukulan itong ikalawang period pa lamang po ito, 22 against 21. 1 point lead. Outside jumper, Paladon, bang, 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 3 points by City Veterinary at ng ating pong City Government of Puerto Princesa. Working from down low, walang mintes, 2 points. Yung team ng City Veterinary kontra sa team ng TMF. Lumalamang pa rin asot na, Paladan, shots for 3, Paladan! 3 points! Grabe, 1 minute and 53 seconds to go. Cruz may tangan ng bola, outside. Palmes, the perimeter J. Good for 2 points by Palmes. 20, para sa team ng TMF. With a minute and 35 seconds to go. 28 against 25. Outside jumper, 3 points by Mir. Now for the second period ng ating ball game. Felipe, kick out, Paladan. Isa sa mga nagbigay kalamangan. Paladan! 3 points! Talagang City Veterinary. 45 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 10. The 3-pointer. Good for 2 points runner by Palmes. Dalawang 3 seconds to go. Paladan, fake jumper. The Sports Office, maraming salamat at syempre sa ating mga official referees. Outside jumper, Benga, 3 points! Mukhang magandang opening siyang manalo laban sa team ng Mataga City BTL Bet dito sa ating ball game. Inside Kobe, Palmes, good for 2 points again from Daulo. 11 minutes and 1 second remaining. And Rakasunong being binigay sa kakampi, Isilay Basketball. 8 seconds na natitirang oras, Numing Rakasa mukhang nagsiseryoso na ang team ng TMF. At yun, sa katulad ng binanggit na 5 minutes and 30 seconds, Numing Rakasa, bibira ng tatluhan, kinapos, pasa yun, good for 2 points. Lamang suga for the third quarter. Lucero nagmamadali, 1-on-1 against Soldot number 8, muntik pang nakuha ng defender. At Lucero, lumamang yung pagiging veterano. Basketball action, 38 all ang ating score. Undot number 8, wide open for 3 points. No good by Undot, my power put back, 2 points by Palmes, number 13. We have only 2 minutes and 25 seconds to go. Numing Rakasa, muntik na agawan ng Paladan, but still recover the ball. Palmes, tumira ng malayuan, Benga by Palmes. Walang you're only 2 minutes and 7 seconds to go. Only 2 kid outside, Paladan, bibira naman. Paladan, bang, 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 3 points. 2 minutes. Muling nagbabalik, mukhang nakapag-reload yung magazine mga kaibigan ng Paladan. Numbing Rakasa, Benga for 3 points! 45, lamang ng 4 itong team ng TMF. May taan na bola, inside, jumper by Sanchez, basketball count by Sanchez, at may kauban pang foul. Muling kalahating dosena po yung abante ng TMF as of now for the third frame. Madadagdagan pa yan ditong battling for rebound, 53 seconds to go. Recovering for team ng City Veterinary, a quick jumper, only 2 kit, muling mag-iiwan ng magandang 2 puntos na ukit. Meron pa rin po tayong 6 na minuto at 55 saglit. Insok 50-47. Lamang ng 3 tagay. Ay score po natin 43 against 50. Outside jumper, near number 11 for 3 points. Veterinary, 50 against 46. 4 na puntos lamang yung kalamangan. 2 3-pointer came from number 8. Come up strong in number 6. Jumper! Basketball count by Rakasa. Kakaedad na. We have only 6 minutes and 23 seconds to go. 52-46. Lamang ng kalahating dosena pa rin itong team na TMF. And to make it Naga City Veterinary. At jumper na uli kugit. Doesn't work. And this time, Numbing Rakasa, yan na. Lumahalagari na ng lumalag. Fouls and third team foul. First free throw. Good. Last in a final free throw. Palmer. 48 against 57. Up by 9 points. Outside jumper. Hugo. 3 points. 3 personal fouls by Hugo, number 22, and a penalty situation. 2 minutes and 52 remaining. First free throw, number 22. Let's take a look kung babasket yung pangalawang free throw. Hugo, number 22, first.
Relax. Ganun lang natapos kayo yung araw mo.
Last in the final free throw. Good for 2 points. Napupunta sa tamang pupuntahan. But Lucero attack. Nakuha pa ng Lucero. Hugo down top play. Hugo, pang, 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 3 points.
Isa't kalahating bagsak eh.
First free throw, 2 team fouls. First free throw by Lucero. Lumalapit pa. Magandang gabi po dyan. We have only 30 seconds to go for the final quarter. First free throw, good for 1. Warning for disqualification, having 4 fouls and penalty. Last in the final free throw, good for 2 points. Mulit na nagpapasalamat. Mabuti ha. Aral ng mabuti. 6 seconds to go. Rakasa ng big, 2 points.